Learn English with Titanic movie. You won't believe how Titanic teaches English tenses. Mind-blowing. Part 3 of 10. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Which of the following is a time marker of the present continuous tense? A. Tomorrow. B. Still. C. Once. Correct answer, still. Example from Titanic movie, the ship is still moving across the calm Atlantic. Which of the following is a time marker of the present continuous tense? A. Yesterday. B. Today. C. Next year. Correct answer, today. Example from Titanic movie, many passengers are enjoying the voyage today. Which of the following is a time marker of the present continuous tense? A. Soon. B. At this instant. C. Always. Correct answer, at this instant. Example from Titanic movie, Jack is teaching Rose at this instant. Which of the following is a time marker of the present continuous tense? A. Often. B. As we speak. C. Last night. Correct answer, as we speak. Example from Titanic movie, the ship is heading west as we speak. Which of the following is a time marker of the simple past tense? A. Every day. B. Last week. C. Next month. Correct answer, last week. Example from Titanic movie, the Titanic sailed from Southampton last week. Like, comment and subscribe.